connect with our first corporate of the morning. ESAF Small Finance Bank is the one that we're looking at now. Now, the stock is down about 23% in the calendar year so far. The bank reported a weak set of numbers in the fourth quarter as well. Let's talk about trends and how the first quarter and the rest of this year could perhaps shape up. We have Kadambelil Paul Thomas, MD and CEO of ESAF Small Finance Bank, joining in. Mr. Thomas, thanks for being with us. I think the one big concern for the street is the deterioration in asset quality. And I'll just quickly go over the numbers for the benefit of our viewers. I mean, in the fourth quarter itself, your gross NPA ratio moved from 4.16% going up to 4.76%. So that was a marked deterioration. If I look at the absolute numbers and sequentially in the last financial year, in the second half, in absolute terms, the gross NPAs went up quite a bit. I mean, they almost doubled. In fact, more than doubled. So what is the latest now on asset quality? You're getting growth. The first quarter is also showing good momentum in the business. But what about the health of the book?
Yeah, as we discussed in our earlier meeting, so we had in the second half of the last financial year, we have faced some challenges in certain geographies, mainly in the coastal areas, in the west coast areas, and in some districts in Tamil Nadu. So we have taken steps to overcome that. So as you know, our microfinance portfolio entirely was managed by our business correspondence. So we have taken a strategic decisions to take over majority of the business. 74% of the assets were managed by our business correspondence. So we have taken over the management directly. So we have created a separate vertical within the bank. Micro banking, a channel has been created. So direct bank will have direct control. So the concentration on BC has come down to 36%. And one single BC was managing 54% of the asset. So they were having challenges in getting people. So they were having challenges in managing attrition. So we thought that bank will directly to manage the concentration risk also we have brought down with this. So in the next 2 quarters we are confident that we will be able to bring back to the asset quality back into place. That is our
Sir, just a couple of more questions on that. You've said a couple of things. You're saying that there are specific markets like Tamil Nadu where you saw stress. Could you elaborate on the nature of this stress? I don't know if is this just rural, seasonal? Is there something more to it? Or is it linked to your banking correspondence? And again, some more rationale about why you decided to take over that business. Is that why there was asset quality stress building up? And just share a level. If you're at 4.7% GNP as of the end of last year, how much will it improve? I mean, how can it come to, say, 3%, less than 3% by the end of this year?
See, it is both actually. It is cyclical and seasonal. As you know, there was stress in the coastal segment among the fishermen communities because of the climate change related issues they are having, and the very high attrition in the business correspondence also resulted because as you know, this is a very high touch model. So the staff continuity play an important role. So that is why we have taken up these steps because as a bank we will be able to attract more talents instead of as a BC attracting talents. So we are working on this and by end of next year our target is to bring down to less than 3%.
And this was a promoter group entity, this banking correspondent?
It was a promoter group entity, ESAF Multi-State Agro-Cooperative.
And now the bank has decided to take over the business. And
already taken over from July 1st. The bank is directly managing the micro lending business operated through the banking outlets. So we have taken over the staff also, 5,176 staff who are associated with the micro lending activity in the BC. They have joined the bank. So now bank is directly managing that part of the business.
Okay. So unfortunately, we have a little less time on the call today, so we could not go beyond this core issue of asset quality and this new development at the bank. But maybe we'll do a longer call next time to understand business momentum. Definitely look out for a longer conversation to get more details. But thank you for today. That's ESAF Small Finance Bank. Important developments over there in terms of the business aspects. Them taking over their largest business correspondent business, which was actually a promoter-run entity. All right, we'll take a break on that note, come back on the other side, and we'll get to our technical experts, get some trading views going for the day.